Hi, Ramsey friends. It's me, Miss Shannah. I miss all of you guys a lot. I'm so happy to see you though on your videos when we get to see you at meetings and at Number Corner, and it's just good to see you guys' face. So I hope all of you are enjoying the beautiful weather that we've been having and playing some games and reading some books. So I'll read you a book. This is another one of my favorite books, and it's called The Bear Snores On. It's by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. The Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Here he is, sleeping. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeals, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Here's that little mouse. He's starting a fire. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Here he is, still sleeping, while that mouse is keeping warm by the fire. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. There's the hare and there's the mouse. Mouse sips, wee slurps, hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." There's the badger, and the mouse, there's the hare. And they nibble and they munch with the chew chomp crunch. But the bear snores on. Look at that sleepy bear. He is just snoring away. The gopher and the mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Yeah, they're having a party in his cave and he's sleeping. Silly bear. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Look at that. They're all just like, "Oh, he woke up." And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh, Hare's looking a little like he's a little nervous there. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. He's sad. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Now he's smiling. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up and the crisp clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Well, they've got a good buddy now. Look at them all sleeping on the bear. Well, that was The Bear Snores On. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you want me to read another book, I have a lot of books, a lot of kids' books. So I can do it again if you guys make a request. I hope all of you are doing well, and I miss seeing all of your faces. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.